What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you've ever wanted a pink leather band for your Apple Watch, stay tuned. So I've got the smaller of the Apple Watch. This is the Series 3 cellular. It's the 40 millimeter, I think, as opposed to the 42. And it's got the standard salmon colored wristband on it that comes with this Nike version. This little piece here is going to be the only part that really matters. And if you want to dress it up a little bit, you don't want this fabric, this nylon band, what you can do is you can pick up a leather band. Now I picked this up because it was actually really cheap. It's a JSGJMY Apple Watch band, 38 millimeter, I guess. Oh, there it is, smartwatch band. And it's in a light pink, almost a peachy color. And I thought it would be a good fit for this Apple Watch here. And as you can see, it's nicely made. I got it here with the silver hardware. It's actually polished, which doesn't quite match the bead blasted finish of the aluminum, but it's pretty close. You know, if you get this in a black, which is gonna match like my Apple Watch in a black, it's gonna look a little different, not quite as well finished here. You can see it has a painted edge, it's molded around there, it's got a nice finished look, and we have punched out holes here, a couple of retention straps. We have a really nice polished loop. This is actually very robust. It feels, you can actually feel the weight of it. It says natural leather. Not exactly sure what natural versus genuine or any of that other stuff means, but obviously with the clips installed here, that's going to make it a lot nicer. Now I am going to see if we can open this sucker up, pull these over here, and then just a standard 2-piece watch band. And then I'm also gonna just cut this off here. So it comes with a little leather tag there, but it doesn't say anything on it, which is a little weird. So I'm just going to cut that off. Now we should be able to get rid of that. All right, so the way these work, buckle goes at the top, and I'm just gonna slide this in. There should be a little detent and it should snap into place. There we go. It's not coming out now. And then I'm gonna take this one, and I guess the nice thing is that the embossed portion of this just indicates which side is down. Sometimes that's not super obvious. And slide this one in, and there we go, locked into place on there. And now we have a nice looking, not overly stylized, not heavy on the color, but a nice kind of, subtle color. Now this watch isn't for me, so I'm gonna put it on here though to give you a little wrist shot. But if you wanna know what that light pink looks like, almost dusty rose or something like that, that's what it looks like. Pretty nice. Actually, this 38 millimeter watch doesn't look that bad on my wrist. I wear the Leather 40, but if you like a little slimmer, smaller, go with that one. Pretty cool. This watch band was inexpensive too, probably in like the $10 or $11, $12 range. I bought it based on looks and price, which pretty happy with it. I'll put a link to the description though. Peter Von Panda, out.